of the animal. Enter the Cineris vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. Unlike other vultures, these birds are solitary, except when they mate and have chicks. They are also preferred to feed on carcass in a smaller group. And our male right back there has strong, terrific feet with large talons and a hook beak which helps to break apart the tongue hide of the animal to eat chunks of flesh.
Now we only have one more scavenger left, and that is the marabou stork from Africa. So eyes up there. Now, these storks have an old man's face and a sturdy look. They also have a dagger-like beak.
And as mentioned earlier, right, coexist and cooperate with the vultures. Nobody can Luis, now is your cue. Yes. Finally, she's back out here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, 11 species of vultures in Africa clean up 70% of the continent's carrion. We would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
But all over the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and superstitious belief. They are now critically endangered, and the only way to save them from extinction is through conservation efforts.
So let us take a moment to give a round of applause to this amazing place for keeping our environment safe.